Welcome to this AQA Chemistry Paper 1 video on electrolysis. This is a critical topic, which you will probably be assessed on in your exam in May, June, so you must understand the concept well. Pause the video as you go through it and check your understanding before you continue. Part A of the question provides a diagram of electrolysis which contains potassium sulfate. You need to remember that during electrolysis, the ions are separated, so you will have potassium ions and sulfate ions. You need to think back to writing formulas to get the correct formula which you are asked for from AQA. The correct answer is K2SO4. To the left of the screen, there is a diagram demonstrating the swap and drop technique to write a formula. Pause the video and review it before you continue. Part B of the question asks you to read off the measuring cylinders for the correct volume of gas produced. Pause the video to get a more accurate reading before you continue. The correct answer for part B is: the volume of gas for hydrogen was 30 centimeters cubed, and the volume of gas for oxygen was 15 centimeters cubed. Part C of the question provided a hypothesis that a student made. The volumes of gases collected in this electrolysis experiment are in the same ratio as hydrogen atoms to oxygen atoms in a water molecule. AQA asks you to explain how the volumes of gases collected in the experiment support the student's hypothesis. One thing to note: explain how the experiment supports the hypothesis. That is the clue you need. The answer for part C is on screen. However, let's break down the answer. The ratio of the volume of hydrogen to oxygen is 2:1. This is the same as the ratio of hydrogen atoms to oxygen atoms in water. So, the gas collected supports the student's hypothesis. The final part of the question asks you to calculate the mass of potassium sulfate. The key information is highlighted in the question. The first thing to note: the units are different, so this needs to be converted before you can complete the calculations. At this point, pause the video and review the formulas for concentration before you continue. The answer is on screen for this calculation. Please note the steps taken to solve this problem. You should note that 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1000 centimeters cube. So to get values in the same unit, you divide 25 by 1000 to get 0.025 decimeters cube. You were given the mass in grams. So you now divide 0.86 by 0.025. This will give you an answer of 34.4 grams per dm cube. That value is the mass of potassium sulfate needed. Again, please review this topic since it is likely to come up in your exams.
Thanks for watching. Remember to follow, share and leave a comment. Link to my website is in the bio for more information. Thanks for watching.